Today, I am taking you to the most iconic, most curious, and countless stories written about that unique route, the heart of Indonesia, Bali. This place is not just a holiday destination, it's a state of mind, an escape, and for some, the address of rebirth. If you're ready, we're going on an enormous journey from the depths of tropical forests to the turquoise waves by the shore, from the scent of incense in temples to the endless rice terraces. Our journey begins in Ubud, the spiritual center of the island. When you leave the airport and head north, the air gradually changes, humidity increases, but along with it, the scent of fresh flowers and burning incense starts to fill your nose. Ubud is the heart of Bali. Imagine going to the Tegalalang rice terraces in the early mornings at sunrise. Those terraced green structures beneath the fog are proof of the centuries-old irrigation tradition called subak. The first moments when villagers step into the fields wearing their hats remind us of how simple life is, yet how sacred it can be. Immediately after, we find ourselves in the monkey forest. But be careful, the macaques here are not just adorable. They are also professional thieves. Keep an eye on your glasses and phones. The moss-covered temples deep within this forest will make you feel like you're in an Indiana Jones movie. When you return to the streets of Ubud, you'll see an art gallery on every corner, and at every doorstep, those colorful small offerings called kanang sari. For the Balinese people, every moment is a reason to be grateful, and this energy is spread throughout the city. Now let's pick up the pace a bit and head down to the southern beaches of the island where the energy never stops. If you love surfing or just want to be part of that digital nomad lifestyle, your destination is Canggu. This is the meeting point for travelers, hippies, and surfers from all over the world. Watching the sunset on the black sandy beaches, holding a coconut in hand and looking at the horizon is an essential part of Bali. If you're looking for a true visual feast, we should change the route to the very south, to Uluwatu. Perched atop massive cliffs, the Uluwatu temple stands right above the furious waves of the ocean. Watching the kekak dance during sunset here is an experience you must have at least once in your life. The chorus-like chants of dozens of men shouting, "Chak, chak, chak," the dramatic performance around the fire, and the gigantic orange sun sinking in the background, it's impossible not to get goosebumps. Bali is not just about beaches and yoga. For those seeking adventure, this island is a true playground. Are you ready to set off at 2 a.m.? Our destination is Mount Batur, an active volcano. In complete darkness, With only the light of your headlamps, climbing over the slippery volcanic rocks to reach the summit can take your breath away. But when you finally reach the top and watch the sunrise over the sea of clouds, all the exhaustion disappears in an instant. The sweetest reward of this adventure is having breakfast with eggs cooked in the volcanic steam, prepared by guides. After descending from the mountain, we surrender ourselves to Bali's hidden waterfalls, Sekumpul or Nungnung waterfalls. As you walk down hundreds of steps and feel the wind created by that massive water mass on your face, you truly experience the power of nature. This place is more than just photographs. It's a living, breathing wilderness. When we head to the less explored, quieter northern parts of the island, we encounter misty lakes and coffee plantations. Munduk is a region that preserves Bali's true face, its old, unspoiled spirit. The air here is cool, and the people are incredibly hospitable. You must see the famous temple floating in the middle of the lake, Pura Ulun Danu Bratan. This structure, which looks like a reflection in a mirror, represents the peak of Bali's aesthetic sensibilities. At the heart of life in Bali is the philosophy of Trihita Karana, which means the balance between God, humans, and nature. The rituals performed to maintain this balance, along with daily prayers, create the island's famous healing power. Whether you stay in a luxurious villa or a backpacker hostel, Bali manages to touch everyone in its own way. So, what will we eat? From nasi goreng, fried rice, to bebek betutu, duck, Bali cuisine is a dance of spices. Don't be afraid to enter the local warung eateries. The most authentic flavors are hidden at those small wooden tables. As we gradually approach the end of this massive journey, Bali has a message for you. Slow down. Visiting here and just touring the tourist spots is not enough. You need to wake up early one morning, watch a local ceremony, and share a smile with the people. Bali is one of the rare places that makes you forget the outside world and encourages you to look inward. I hope this journey has excited you as much as it did me. If one day your path leads to this island of the gods, leave your phone aside and just feel the moment. Because Bali is not to be described, it's to be experienced. you at the next stop, in another corner of the world. Until then, keep exploring and stay curious.